Hello everyone, welcome to Data Story with Sourav. My name is Sourav Roy and here in this module we will learn advanced Excel from very basics to advanced. Because this is very important for each and every working professional, or if you're willing to work in any field. Especially this course was designed for the data analyst, data scientist, data engineering and the MIS executive who actually deals with Excel in day-to-day basis. So whichever field you are in or you are willing to go, Excel is a part of it, and obviously this is very important thing. So here the first things of Excel that we will learn today, which is cell fixing, or rather I can say the cell referencing. We all use these things in our daily life, but we should know the very prominent way to use that kind of cell referencing. So that is very much important factor to you. And now we will learn the details, because in interview sometimes it happens that interviewer asks the questions directly from the theory part of it. So we should know the theory behind it. If I ask you the how many types of cell referencing do you know the cell referencing, what is cell referencing, so you should answer it to crack the interview. So you should know that. So this you can see that here there is a table, the name, some students name, and there are three subjects, the marks which is obtained by the students, individual students. So I have to find out the total. So to find out the total, we all know the very popular approach is equal to sum, and then just select the entire region from subject 1 to subject 3 and just press enter. So 183 is the total marks for Suman Pandey. And if we just double click on the down right corner, the marks for each and every student will appear. Now I have to find out the percentage. Percentage means, say for this individual Suman Pandey, his total obtained marks is 183 out of, there are three subjects and each subject marks is 300. So out of 300 he scored 183. So I have to find out the percentage. To find out the percentage, what I can do the total marks divided by 300, as 300 is the grand total. So it gives you, so no need to multiply it with 100. Sometimes we do, but no need. Just press enter, and if we select here percentage, so it will show the percentage. So this percentage amount will appear for each and every individual. But the problem with it, if suppose there are three subjects, the total marks is 300, that's fine. But if suppose there is some error in questions paper, and that error marks is 10. So suppose if I say that the grand total will be 290. So for this grand total 290, how I can actually find out the percentage? So I have to put here 290 instead of 300. I'm just put here 290 and then again double click on it, then percentage will change. So is this the efficient way to work with it? Because here this is a very tiny data set. Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows are there. But when as a working professional, you have to deal with a larger data set, especially what the folks for data analyst, data scientist, or maybe the MIS executive. So how many times do you actually manually put that task, the hard coding things? That is not good. That is not the efficient way. So you should know that what is the efficient way. Now I comes to that efficient way, which is a cell referencing. But before going to that, what, so anyone can tell me that, yeah, Instead of writing that hard coding, I can refer that particular cell. Yes, you can. So if I refer that particular cell, that means whichever value I am putting on that cell. For now, I'm just referring that particular cell, it gives me 63%. Now, if I'm putting here 300, look, it is getting changed from 63 to 61. And if I put 280, it's getting changed, no issue with that. So that is called cell referencing. Cell referencing means refer to a cell. So whichever the value present on that cell will calculate it. That's good. But the problem is whenever I'm just double click on it, I'm getting an error. This error shows the zero division error. Zero division error means when we actually trying to divide some number with zero, then this zero division error appears. So what should I do right now? So let me check what's the problem. So then if I click on the next cell, that means row number 9. So H9, this column H8 is shifted from H8 to H9. It's okay. But parallelly, this grand total, this L column is also shifted from L6 to L7. You can easily find out it. For the next occurrence, it's shifted to L8. That's why there is no value in L7, L8 and L9. So that's why you are getting zero division error. So how you can actually solve that kind of problem in a bigger data set? You can solve it by fixing that particular cell. So the fixing, when we talk about the fixing, so there are multiple types of fixings are there. The first one is, so before going to that part, you should know that when I'm writing, suppose M8, that means the column number is M is the column and row 8. I think this concept is clear to all of you. So this is M8. Now you should know about the type of referencing. So the actually these referencing are basically, we can classify it in three categories. One is mixed referencing, another one is absolute or fixed referencing, and the third one is relative referencing. The A1 means A is the column and the 1 it is the row number, right? So whenever we don't apply any kind of fixed referencing, so referencing is applied with the dollar sign. So the mixed referencing means here this $A1, that means this $A means A is the column. So here I am instructed to Excel to fix the column 1. So 1 is the row number. So this 1 is not fixed here. So if I want to fix the particular row, not the column, so then what should I do? I should put a dollar sign before the row number. So this kind of referencing is known as the mixed referencing. When we are trying to fix a particular column or a particular row, so this kind of referencing is known as the mixed referencing. But when we're trying to fix the entire cell, means I should fix the column as well as I should fix the row also, like so. This kind of thing is known as the fixed or absolute referencing. So in interview, if interviewer asks to you what is cell referencing, refer to a cell. So whatever the value is present on a particular cell, I'm referring that value. Okay, and there are three types of cell referencing. One is mixed referencing, another one is fixed or absolute referencing, and the last one is relative referencing. So how the referencing actually work in it? So what change should I do here? So to put the referencing, the shortcut key is shortcut key for referencing. Shortcut key for referencing is F4. This is the shortcut key, and for referencing we use the dollar sign. So if I want to fix that particular cell, the grand total cell, so what should I do? Just I'm clicking the F4. So by clicking the F4, and again if I clicking the F4, so this time it is absolute referencing, and if again I'm clicking the F4, then it is mixed referencing. Here actually I'm instructed to Excel to fix the row, not the column. Again the column is fixed right now, and then it's a relative referencing, and then just put the dollar sign before the column name and the row name. So I'm just putting it here as it is 65%, and now I'm changing it to 300, which is a grand total. So 61%, the error gone. So there is no error right now. So you should know the cell referencing, how to refer a cell. So I hope this concept is clear to all of you, how to refer a cell, how to fix a cell, what are the types of cell referencing, and in a next video we will actually discuss deeper regarding the cell referencing and a very important function, which is a PMT function. The PMT function, that function is used to calculate the EMI. So stay tuned with Data Story with Sourav, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video with your friends so that everyone can learn Excel from very basics to advanced level.